IELTS Part 103 Listening Test Section 2 Questions 11 to 20 Making Assumptions. Section 2 Question 11 to 20. Section 2, you will hear a recording of a tour of an art museum. Listen carefully and answer the questions. Female tour guide. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Lucy, and I'll be your guide for today's 2 o'clock tour of the Jamestown Museum of Art. As a reminder, if you haven't purchased your ticket yet, please do so now. It's $15 for the adults and for children 12, and under it costs just $11. If you're a senior, today's your lucky day because it's Tuesday. That's a senior citizens day. So admissions is free for all people over 65. However, you'll still need to get a ticket before the tour starts. All right, now does everyone have a ticket? Yes, good. Then let's go. We begin our tour here in the main gallery. Here you can see our collection of modern art. We're quite proud of this collection, which includes some minor works by major artists. For example, you'll see over there a small Picasso, and on this wall, you'll see works by some other well known modern painters. Moving ahead to the next room, now we're in the City Gallery. This is the room where we feature local artists who have painted a variety of subjects. You'll notice here some local scenes, in addition to a few portraits, and right over there, you'll see some abstract work. Most of these works are modern, although we have a few older paintings in this room as well. Straight ahead is the Hall of History. In that room, we have a wonderful collection of portraits of famous figures in our city's history. The oldest painting date back to the 17th century, and there are some quite modern paintings in there as well, including a portrait of our current governor who was born in this city. Unfortunately, the hall is closed right now, so we won't be able to visit it today. Here are right is the East Room. Is it the beautiful room? The view of the garden is just lovely. You'll see there are no paintings in here because this room is devoted entirely to sculptures. The large sculpture in the center is by a well known local artist, and over here you'll see several pieces by modern European sculptor. You can see we have quite a number of lovely pieces in this room. Just beyond the East Room is the gift shop. You may want to visit it after you have finished looking at the galleries. You can buy reproduction of art in the museum collections as well as souvenirs of the city. Many other lovely things as well. All right, then, we've visited all the open galleries in the museum. If you would like to return to any of the area of the museum now and look at the exhibits more carefully, please do so. Remember, any area of the museum, remember the area of the Hall of History is closed for repairs, but it should be open again next month. Also, please don't go to the second floor. There is nothing up there but offices, and the area is off limits to visitors. Thank you for coming to the museum. Don't forget to visit the gift shop on your way out. It's a monologue, uh, one person talking, giving the information. That's what we call a monologue. So, section two of listening exercise, listening drill, listening test is a monologue when one person is talking, giving information, very much like an orientation. Over here, there was a tour guide giving information on museum. So that was a monologue.